Hello from Egypt. So I've been receiving a lot of messages from you guys regarding how to do the calibration right on the 3.0. So let's quickly go through the opening of what is really involved included in here, so we have a clear understanding of everything. All right, so of course, first of all, we have our biowelding device that once you remove it, you have the finger insert piece that's already in here. You have included with it a wire. This is the wire that connects a regular USB 2 to a USB 3. So for you guys that have like a Windows laptop, then this is a good connection. Or if you have an older Mac device that accepts the regular USB connection. So that's just for different types of connection. Now there's a different wire in here that you will see that this is from a USB-C to USB-C. And this is more for the newer laptops. So if you have a newer laptop that has this USB-C connection, you're going to be using this wire. Okay, what else do we have in here? So if you look here, this one, you see there's one of the metal pieces that doesn't have any pictures in the front, right? And then when you look on the back, it has a metal cylinder. And then when you look right here, do you see there's a wire that goes from here to here? So the one that has the wire, this is your calibration unit. And see in the front of it, it's clear, it doesn't have any pictures on there. So this is what we're going to use to calibrate our device, and we don't need to connect any wire to it on the 3.0. So simply the way that I will calibrate, I will come to my biowelding device. I'm going to turn this counterclockwise, remove the tip, and then you're going to place this one right here. See, it's got the little wire in the back, and you're going to place it right here and just gently turn it clockwise. So now this is ready for calibration. See, we don't need any wires in the back, just the simple device itself. Now you're going to use, since I have a USB-C, I'm going to connect this to it, and that's how I'm going to calibrate. Okay, so now let's bring this here. And let's connect it to our system. Okay, you're gonna connect this to the USB port here. And then we go to the calibration module here. Okay, and then you click start. The fan will turn on, and then it will start to take multiple scans. And when it says calibration is complete, that's when your system is calibrated. So now to test your calibration, you can come in here. I usually have like a test calibration card that's created. Then you can go to, I do a 1 finger scan. Okay, and we do it multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 times, you'll see the analyze button will get highlighted here. So now I just click on that. And then see over here, it's going to give me an area value. See here, it says area 11,081. As long as this value is between 11,000 to 12,500, then that's a sign of a good calibration. Now to even further test it, you can go to your stress scan and then do a stress scan. So just come here, click on scan, and then again, now this is, I'm just doing this with the calibration device already inserted there. I'm not changing anything. So now after I do this, I come and I hit analyze. And the values that we see, you want this to be in the low range to like the mid optimum range here for the stress level, and then for energy we want it to be in the optimal range. So usually over 50, that's going to be a good measurements for your calibration. So once you have these values, then you know that your calibration is great and you can start using your device. If these values here are way too far off, then please contact me so I can help you guys troubleshoot it, so that you can have a more successful calibration. And to look at the rest of the devices that's included in your BioWeld, see there is a different attachment here that do you see this one has a picture of a Sputnik on it? So this is the one that we use it for inserting our accessories and connecting that to the bio well. You're not going to use this one because it has a metal cylinder on it, but if you look on the inside, it doesn't have that extra wire here. It's just that metal cylinder. So this is to connect your accessories to your device. Like when you get your Sputnik, when you get the water sensor, the glove, those are the ones that are going to be connecting to this hole that's in front of your accessory connector. Okay? And then you have a different finger piece in your device that this is just for larger fingers. So some people that have smaller fingers won't fit in here. Then you want to use this one for them so that they can easily do their scans. And you will get this red piece, this red wire. Some people have the black wire, some people have red. This is to connect your accessories to your system. And there should be a tiny little black piece that will convert your calibration, your accessories to your calibration or to your accessory connection units. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions besides that. Thanks for watching.